How to add promotion on LinkedIn. Let's get started. Launch your LinkedIn app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now at the top left, you're gonna find your profile icon. Click on that. Click on the option of experience. Now from here, you can easily add a promotion. Enable for the option of notify network. Now provide all the details. Select a title for your promoted job, then employment type, company name, location type, likewise start date, end date, description, and you can click on save. So this way you can easily add a promotion to your LinkedIn profile. This was really simple and quick process. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.